Hello everyone. Programming knowledge become more important in the business world. Even if you are not working as a programmer, basic coding skill can still help you a lot in your study and career. Therefore, in this video, we aim at providing basic coding skills in Python for people without any programming background. Throughout these 18 modules, you will learn basic coding, data management, and finally data analytics to help decision making. This series of videos covers 18 videos, and that can be divided into 5 sections. The first section is Python Basics section, which teaches you how to install Python and learn the basic syntax. The second section is Library section. It introduces Python libraries to you with a deeper explanation of NumPy and Pandas. Thirdly, Data Management section digs into the details of managing a dataset and getting statistics and graphics of the dataset. The fourth section is Data Analytics section. It introduces tools for you to conduct basic regression analysis and time series analysis. Last but not least, Advanced Data Analytics section is for people who want to know about machine learning and algorithmic trading. Then, we will conclude the course. Then, let's introduce more about Python. As some of you may know, Python is one of the most popular coding languages. It gains popularity among not only software developers and experienced users, but also amateurs and beginners. Python is beginner-friendly due to the following reasons. The first one is that it is easy to code and understand, as its structure is very similar to English. In addition, it is a general-purpose programming language that can be used in different areas, making Python skills can be transferable when users shift to another field to work. It is also supported by a wide range of libraries that save beginners a lot of time in learning complicated programming syntax. Last but not least, the growing community of Python users makes continuous improvements in the support and libraries for the program. To get started, you can run Python in both a software and a cloud environment, such as Anaconda and Colab, which is recommended. Anaconda is a distribution of the Python programming languages, so you can run Python scripts by using Anaconda. There are several advantages of Anaconda. The platform has a wide range of data science packages. The environment is user-friendly, and it provides tools for users to collect data from other sources. Next, we will instruct you how to install Anaconda in your computer. First, go to the link. And then select the suitable distribution for your operating system. Press the downloaded file to start the installation. And then click Next. Click I agree. Click Just Me, and then click Next. You can leave the destination folder as default or specify a specific folder, then click Next. And then click Install, then installation starts. Then click Finish to finish the installation. Now you can launch Anaconda Navigator in your computer. Jupyter Notebook is a built-in software that you don't need to install it again. Here it is. Click Launch below the Jupyter icon. Then click New, Python 3. To create your first Python notebook, the whole notebook is made out from cells, which have two types, code cell and text cell. You can press Run to run all codes in the notebook. For example, and then press Run. You can also press Enter plus Control to run a single cell. Now it's your turn. After introducing Anaconda, let's talk about Colab. Colab is a cloud Python environment provided by Google. It is recommended for beginners for the following reasons. The first is zero configuration required. You can easily test and run your Python codes on it without setting up local environments on your computers. In addition, you can also access the GPUs free of charge. Moreover, it is convenient for sharing. You can easily share codes to manage simultaneous editing with collaborators. Next, let's see how to use Colab. The first step is to search Colab from the web, and then go to Welcome to Collaboratory Google Research. Then, you will be led to the Welcome page. You can create your first notebook by clicking New Notebook in the button or click File and then New Notebook. As you can see, the Colab notebook has similar layouts to Jupyter Notebook on Anaconda. We can run a single cell with press Run button or press Enter plus Control. For example, and then the output result will display below. You can click the third button Variable in the left bar to view the variables that we define in the code. Now you see that the variable is an integer. You can also add text cells to add an explanation to your code. For example, if you want to share this notebook to your collaborators, you can simply click Share over here. And it is just like you share a Google Doc or Google Slide. You can export the Colab notebook via clicking File and Download. You can download it in the either format. Now it's your turn to try Colab on your own. After learning how to run Python, please try the following codes on Jupyter Notebook and Colab to see what the output will be. Thank you for your watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video.